हेलो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय इंग्लिश चैनल। और आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया टॉपिक लेके आई हूँ, एडजेक्टिव एंड देयर टाइप्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर एडजेक्टिव। What is an adjective? Adjective describes or modifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives usually provides relevant information about the nouns or pronouns they modify, describe by answering the questions. इस प्रकार जब एडजेक्टिव नाउन और प्रोनाउन को मॉडिफाई करे या उसके बारे में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन दे तो वो एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है। जैसे कि व्हाट काइंड, हाउ मैनी, विच वन, हाउ मच, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस का जब जवाब दिया जाता है तो वो एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है। एडजेक्टिव एनरिच योर राइटिंग बाय एडिंग प्रिसीजन और ओरिजिनलिटी टू इट। For an example, the team has a dangerous batsman. So what kind? Dangerous. So dangerous is here adjective. I have 10 candies in my pocket. So how many candies? 10 candies. So it's a 10 is here adjective which qualifies candies. Okay, I loved that red car. So red is here what? Adjective. Okay. I earn more money than he does. So more is here adjective. So there are so many kinds of adjective. So let's start. See the type of adjectives: descriptive adjectives, quantitative, proper, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, indefinite, article, compound, etc. So let's start with the descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjective is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. Most of the adjectives belong to this type. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the nouns, pronouns they modify or describe. Descriptive adjectives are also called qualitative adjectives. So it qualifies the noun. Participles are also included in this type of adjective when they modify a noun. For an example, I have a fast car. So fast is describing an attribute or quality of the car. I am hungry. So hungry is providing information about the subject. Or the hungry cats are crying. So here hungry cats are crying. So hungry is here again the providing information. I saw a flying eagle. So these were the descriptive adjectives. Now next is quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives provide information about the quantity of noun or pronoun. This type belongs to the question category of how much or how many. I have 20 bucks in my wallet. So how much? 20. They have 3 children. You should have completed the whole task. So there are whole 3 or 20 bucks are quantitative, which is telling the quantity of the noun or pronoun. Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are the adjectives form of proper noun. When proper noun modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Proper means specific or particular rather than formal or polite. So proper adjective follows us to summarize a concept in just one word. Instead of writing saying a food cooked in Chinese recipe, you can write say a Chinese food. Proper adjectives are usually capitalized as proper nouns are. For an example, American cars are very strong. Chinese food, so American is here describing the car specialty, and Chinese is also the proper noun. I love KFC burgers. So KFC is the proper adjective. Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective directly refers to something or someone. Demonstrative is like this, that, these, those. A demonstrative pronoun works alone and does not precede a noun. But a demonstrative adjective always comes before the word it modifies. That building is so gorgeously decorated. So that is referring to the singular noun but far from the speaker. So this car is mine. This is referred to a singular noun but close to the speaker. You all know कि आपकी इन चाइल्डहुड जब आपने ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ा होगा फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्लास में, तो दिस दैट कॉन्सेप्ट आपको फार और क्लोज से रिलेट करता है. सो सेम वे इन द दीज एंड दोज भी आपको फार और क्लोज से रिलेट करता है. सो these cats are cute. So these here referring to the cats and it is close to the speaker, and those referring to the far, so it refers to the far from the speaker. Now come to the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belonging of something to someone. Some of the most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your, etc. All these adjectives always come before a noun. Unlike possessive pronouns, these words demand a noun after them. So, you know the possession is अधिकार को जताने वाले जो भी वर्ड्स होते हैं वो possessive adjectives को क्वालिफाई करते हैं. My car is parked outside. Here my is possessive adjective. His cat is possessive adjective. Our job or her books. So these are the words which comes under the possessive adjectives. So next is interrogative adjectives. You know the interrogative words are the question word which are used for the inquiry. जब आपको inquiry के लिए शब्द यूज करने होते हैं तो आप interrogative words का यूज करते हैं, like which, what, whose, how. So this type of adjectives are interrogative adjectives, like whose also belong to the possessive adjective type. Which phone do you use? What game do you want to play? Whose car is this? Now next is indefinite adjectives, and indefinite adjectives describes or modify a noun unspecifically. जब इनडेफिनिट अनस्पेसिफिक कोई वर्ड होता है वो और वो नाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है तो वो इंडेफिनिट एडजेक्टिव्स के अंतर्गत आता है. दे प्रोवाइड इंडेफिनिट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द नाउन. द कॉमन इंडेफिनिट एडजेक्टिव्स आर फ्यू, मैनी, मच, मोस्ट, ऑल, एनी, ईच, एवरी, आइदर, नोबडी, सेवरल, सम, एक्सेट्रा. हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स. I gave some candy to her. I want a few moments alone. तो यहाँ पर जो indefinite information candy moments के बारे में दी जा रही ये indefinite adjective के अंतर्गत आते हैं. Now come to the articles. Articles are also modifying the noun. So these are also under the adjectives type. So articles are also adjective. Article determine the specification of noun. A and an are used to refer to an unspecific, whereas the is used to specific. A cat is always afraid of water. Here the noun cat refer to any cat. This specific is not here. The cat is afraid of me. Now the cat, which was a little earlier unspecific, now it becomes specific. The cat is afraid of me. So here are some example of under article adjectives. Now compound adjectives. When compound nouns or combined words modify other nouns, they come under a Compound adjective. This type of adjective usually combine more than one word into a single lexical unit and modify a noun. They are often separated by a hyphen or joined together by a quotation mark. For an example, I have a broken down sofa. So broken down is now the compound adjective because here two noun verbs are related here. Broken down मतलब टूटा हुआ. I saw a 6 foot long snake. 6 फीट लंबा. तो यहाँ पर दो वर्ड्स को जब कंपाउंड करके आपने एक क्वालिफाई किया है किसी नाउन और प्रोनाउन को, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव्स. Here are now we are discussing degree of comparison. You all know we have to change the degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. An adjective is said to be in the positive degree where there is no comparison, that is called positive degree. An adjective is said to be in the comparative degree when it is used to compare two nouns or pronouns. जब दो चीजों से नाउन या प्रोनाउन से किसी चीज को कंपेयर किया जाता है तो वो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री कहलाती है. एंड सुपरलेटिव एंड एडजेक्टिव इज in superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two nouns or pronoun. जब दो से ज्यादा नाउन और प्रोनाउन को कंपेयर किया जाता है तो वो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के अंतर्गत आते हैं. We use the article the before in the superlative degrees. So there are some example of that rules are here given for to identify the comparative and superlative degrees by adding of er in est to the positive degree. Positive is some, for example, cold, so comparative will be colder and the superlative will be coldest. And same here, the rich, richer and richest by adding of r and st to the positive degree ending in e. जिन शब्द में e last में end होता है like fine and pale, that is are in comparative degree finer, paler or finest and palest. The other rule are when the positive ends in y and has a consonant before it. जब किसी वर्ड में y से एंडिंग होता है उसके पहले कोई कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होता है तो वहाँ पर आई हो जाता है. जैसे कि ड्राई DRY, तो यहाँ पर अब उसका कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में हो जाएगा DRIER और सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज में हो जाएगा DRIEST ड्राइस्ट. तो इस प्रकार सेम easy, easier और easiest. And next rule is when the positive degree end in a consonant with a vowel before it, we double the consonant. जब कोई वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट से एंडिंग होता है और उसके पहले कोई वॉवल आता है तो वो कॉन्सोनेंट डबल हो जाता है. जैसे बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट एंड फैट, फैटर, फैटेस्ट. So here are new more rules by adding er and est to the positive degree when it ends in y like GAY. जब y से end होता है तब क्या करते हैं, उसके पहले आपका वॉवल इज देयर तो आपका गेयर, ग्रेयर और गेयस्ट और ग्रेयस्ट हो जाएगा. जब मोर एंड मोस्ट वाले कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं जैसे एक्टिव, मोर एक्टिव एंड मोर ब्रिलियंट, मोस्ट एक्टिव एंड मोस्ट ब्रिलियंट. एंड द लास्ट रूल ऑफ degree of comparison is some adjectives do not follow any of the rule explained earlier. They are compared irregularly. Here are the different form of such adjectives like good, bad. Good फिर हुआ तो उसका कंपैरेटिव हो गया वर्स्ट और सुपरलेटिव हो गया वर्स्ट. ऐसे बैड, बेटर एंड बेस्ट. सो हियर वाज द डिग्रीज. अब ये एक मैंने इसका फ्लो चार्ट दिया हुआ है तो आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर पसंद आया होगा. कोई क्वेरी हो तो मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा. कीप वॉचिंग माय वीडियोस. टिल देन टेक केयर.